Hey y'all! Today we're going to be doing writing that has to do with self-realization, self-reflection, and by the end of this workshop you should have some ideas or maybe even a finished piece that is all about introspection. I love that word, introspection. So sit tight, get your tea. I forgot my tea, but go ahead and get some tea for both of us. And let's start. So this writing workshop is called Who Am I, Who Are You? All about self-awareness, self-confidence, and self-reflection. So why is it so hard to just be yourself? That's kind of the thing. That's always been the thing. People have always said that as a cliche. Just be yourself. It's fine. Just be authentic. But now it's almost cult-ish. It's almost like everybody, that's a whole look. That's a whole aesthetic. Giving very much authentic. And it's not as easy as it sounds because sometimes being yourself is a little bit more complicated than just being yourself. Because you have to think, you might not know who that is yet, depending on how old you are or what you've been through in life or what you are coming through now. Self might be a concept that's not just, here I am, love me world. Not all of us are just naturally like that. And I sometimes feel attacked when that's the advice given by personal consultants. It's kind of the first thing for everybody's program is just be yourself. It's not one size fits all. It doesn't help everybody. Sometimes it could actually hurt and maybe make someone feel like they're not enough because they don't feel comfortable just being perceived as the person that they are right then. So much influence coming from the outside in, it's hard to know what is you from the inside out. I read somewhere that we are all a collective effort, like a Frankenstein of everyone we've ever met, everyone we've ever loved, everything we've ever been hurt by. And then you have that mixed with the outside influence of social media now, or just media period. It causes you to kind of question, who am I? Who was I? Who do I want to be? Who will I be tomorrow? And if you don't take some time to really process what those questions mean for you and how you would answer them, then some emotional health issues come in when we don't take the time to ask ourselves these questions and kind of draft it. So that's what we're going to do today. That's what half of our prompt is going to be about. The first step is to write some I am statements. So these are statements that just describe you. Remember, this is called Who Am I, Who Are You? They do not have to all be positive. Try to get a good mixture of positive, negative, neutral statements about yourself. The only rule is that they all must be true. Let's see. Now that you have your I am statement, I want you to read them out loud and choose the 4 that feel the most right. For example, one of mine was I am strong, but then another one, I am scared. I feel that when I say I am scared, because there's a lot of things I'm afraid of, but I feel like I'm also strong enough to overcome some of those obstacles sometimes. And that's going to make for a very interesting piece. So here comes my favorite part of this process. It's free writing time. If you've never heard of a free write before, write without stopping and without thinking too hard about what you're writing about. I feel like as adults or as we grow, the idea of having to have the perfect line, the perfect word, it has grown and attached itself to our process, and that's very damaging. So do this free write with me with no fences around your mind. Don't find yourself scratching stuff out and stopping. You know, whatever you put is what you put, and you can always go back later and change it. But it's really important you let yourself just write the first thing that comes out. You get 5 minutes. The rules are that you do not stop writing for the entire 5 minutes. And your prompt is, there is blank in my blank because I am blank. So I could say, there is fire in my belly because I am scared. Or I could say, there are butterflies in my stomach because I am in love. Thank you guys for writing with me today. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe for more content like this regularly. In the comments, go ahead and drop your strongest line from the free write that you wrote. I hope you enjoyed this and join me next time on Write With Me.